Thought I'd have an experimental food day today. I'm going to use this with this to try and make a 2-course meal. If you want to see how it turns out, stick with me. If it's ready or not, we're going to go for it. It's just about cooked. Let's get it on a plate. This has taken absolute ages. Now that didn't turn out how I expected. I was expecting the pastry to kind of puff up a bit more. So it's kind of just about done. Let's cut into it and we'll have a look, see what he's all about. them up so I can show you. There we go. I've lost most of my cheese and beans, so I wouldn't say this is the best method of doing this sort of thing. I've got pudding to make yet, so I'll have to come up with another plan. That wasn't the most ideal way of cooking that. It's all together though. Pastry is cooked just. Super hot. It's okay-ish. I've come up with a plan for pudding. Stick with me and let's do it. Well, as that method didn't work very well, what we're going to do next is, I've got a baking dish there, little trivet rack. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to line it with my pastry, throw in a banana and some spread, put the lid on and see what happens. Like I said, it's experimental day to day. Let's see if we can do better with pudding. Get rid of that. There we go, we got a pastry pocket. Ish. Yeah. Now for the sweet stuff. Not tried this before. I don't even know how much to use. Go on, we'll go for a bit more. Let's have a sugar overload. Oh my gosh. Okay. Put that there. That there. I got the Pathfinder stove going this time. He's got plenty of fuel. So all I'm going to do is put that on top of there. Put the lid on. And we'll see what happens. Right, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a quick sneak peek. I know something's going on in there. It's getting there. We'll check it out again in about 20 minutes. Let's check him out and see what's happening. A little bit longer. From the sound of it, it sounds like a bubbling inferno. Let's see what we got. I'm not expecting it to be toasty around the top, the pastry, because I'd need a heat source on the top really, but feeling that it's quite hot. Are you ready? Ta-da! Actually, that's not too bad. Pastry's well cooked in there, just needed browning off a bit. Let me zoom you in. You can see from that the pastry shrunk and he's not stuck. So he's going to lift out there beautifully. Let's dish it up and see what we've got. There's the bad boy. I've given him a couple of minutes to cool down. I think he'll just lift out. It's going to be good. There we go. Look at that. Can I tilt him up? Pastry's well done. Still quite hot. What's he look like underneath? Ooh. You could see that better than me. I'll give him a couple of minutes to cool down, then we'll cut into him. So there you have it, experimental cooking. Oh, sounds crispy. Let's get them in half together. That was super crunch. I've had to turn the microphone round so you can hear me. I hope you got some of that. Hang on, I'll bring you around here so you can hear. Proper crispy. I know what it needs. Little bit of creme fraiche and a little bit of sugar. After all, it is pudding. So there you have it, a bit of experimental cooking today. The weather's been topsy-turvy, so I've not been out, so I thought it was time to kind of experiment, see what works and see what doesn't. It's a good thing to do, is just kind of experiment when you've got the time in your own back gardens or whatever, so when you go out then you've got no problems, you just get out and do your thing. Let's try a bit of this. It's very nice, but it's a massive sugar rush. I'm not used to it. Banana and Nutella. Well, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And don't forget, try stuff at home to make it easier for when you go out.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.